Hello guys, today I will show you how to operate this viewing machine. Look at this control panel. These three buttons can control the viewing times, and these three buttons can control the waiting time. I will show you now in this way. Press the first button and choose the number you want to change. Add it and press this number again. It will be set. And in the same way, you can press this button first and change it and press it again. It will be set. These four buttons is using for controlling the viewing time. For example, if you need to view about 14 times or you need to counter the viewing times, it will control it, and you can set it in the same way. And these two buttons can control the viewing speed. Press this button can heighten the speed, and press this button can slow down the speed. This button is using for setting the viewing times and the waiting times. If you need to use this machine, you need this machine work in automatic type. And this button you can press this button for a long time, then the machine will work for a long time. And you can also press it just for a few seconds, then the machine will work for a few more seconds. I will show you later. And this button is the manual button. It means you can press it for manual model. And this button is the automatic mode button. You can use it, then the machine will work automatically. I will show you later. Remember, when you use this machine in the first time, you need to suck out the air. There is some air in the pump, so you need to suck out it first, or the machine will not work maybe. You can use some tool to suck out the air. And now I will show you how to operate it. Let's try the automatic model. Okay, press it. You can see the viewing time is 3 seconds. The waiting time is 2 seconds. This machine will view about 3 seconds and wait for 2 seconds. Now I will show you. Look, it will work automatically. Press this button, it will stop. And this button is the manual button. Press it, the machine will work. Or you can use the pedal switch to make it work. And this button, press it for a few more seconds. Or you can just press it for a long time. That's all. Thanks for watching the video.